This is a quick review of the active laundry detergent sheets. I had received this product in exchange for a review. Uh, so these are eco-friendly laundry detergent sheets. So these are a game changer for sustainable cleaning. These are also very compact, lightweight, and mess-free. But they deliver a powerful cleaning without the bulk of traditional detergents. And here's an example of how thin these sheets are. So each sheet dissolves quickly in both hot and cold water, so leaving clothes fresh, soft. They also tackle tough stains like in gym clothes or also delicate fabrics without irritation. So these are great for travel. So these take up minimal space in your luggage and is liquid-free requirements. So I used them on a recent trip and they work great in a hotel sink as they did in my washing machine. There's also a great zero waste option for small laundry rooms or minimalistic lifestyles. Again, these are made with biodegradable ingredients, again, packaged in recyclable materials. So it's guilt-free alternative to plastic heavy detergent bottles. So, so overall, I highly recommend it if you're eco-conscious, travel-friendly, or simply want a no-mess laundry solution. So these are highly recommended.